Hello friends, welcome to my channel Neha Activities. Today I'll show you how to make tasty cutlets. So let's get started. For this I have taken 4 medium-sized potatoes. I have already boiled them and I'm peeling them off now. Now I will mash them. Here are all the ingredients. I have taken 1 finely chopped onions, some chopped fresh coriander leaves, half a tablespoon salt, half a tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon garam masala powder, a pinch of turmeric, 1/4 tablespoon of carom seeds powder, 1/4 tablespoon of amchur powder and 1/4 tablespoon of chaat masala powder. This is half tablespoon kasuri methi. Now I will add all the ingredients in this mashed potatoes. I'm adding onions, the fresh coriander leaves and all the masalas and then properly mix them. Now the mixture is ready. Here I have taken 2 slices of bread. I will finely cut them into small pieces with my hands and mash it with the mixture. Now mix it properly. The bread slices help to bind the mixture and the potatoes may not splutter while frying. Now our mixture is ready and I am taking now some amount in my palm and roll it with my fingers to give a shape of a cutlet. You can give any shape. I am giving the shape of a small rolls. You can give round shape or any you like. Now see, the cutlet is ready and I will coat it with breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs give the crunchy texture on the outer surface. So now I will place them in another plate. And similarly, I will prepare some more cutlets. Take some amount and roll it in your hands with your fingers. Give it a shape. Like this. And coat it with breadcrumbs. Now the cutlets are ready to fry. Here I have taken some oil in a pan. It's quite hot now. I will place the cutlets in it. Make sure the flame is on high while placing the cutlets, but after placing it, switch the flame to low medium so that it may get cooked from inside also. Now see, our cutlets have become nice golden brown from all the sides. Now they are ready. Just take them out on a tissue paper to absorb the extra oil. These cutlets are nicely cooked from inside also because we have been frying them in the low medium flame. So now they are ready. So our cutlets are ready. Serve them hot with tomato ketchup, green chutney or mayonnaise or anything you like. I hope friends you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.